Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, in front of you, from Zina family, two old members, Meena Tilakraj and Colonel V.D. Singh. Once
Right.
again, in the recent past, we both have been coming on the screen to discuss various issues, which also included taboo issues. But today, we are not talking about any taboo issues. So today's topic is the quiet grief of adult friendships. Sometimes we interchange the word quiet with silent, so it doesn't really make much of a difference. What is the objective of today's session? To explore how adult friendships change over time, understand the emotions associated with friendship loss, and identify ways to maintain meaningful connections. So, the quiet grief or the silent grief of adult friendship is the sadness that comes when friendships change, fade, or disappear. Not because of some dramatic conflict, but because life gradually pulls people in different directions. As adults, friendships often compete with career, family responsibilities, health concerns, distance, and changing priorities. A
Right.
friend who once knew every detail of your life may slowly become someone you exchange only occasional messages like, Happy New Year or Christmas. There,
Right.
so there may be no clear ending, no closure, and no one to blame. So,
Right.
Meena ma'am, what makes this grief quiet or silent is that it is rarely publicly acknowledged. Society
Yes.
often recognizes the loss of romantic relationships or family members, but the loss of a close friendship can be just as painful while receiving far less understanding. So, what do you think
That
the common
is
feelings?
that is so very true. And it's very sad also. The common feelings which happen are that you're missing who you were so close to, and now the person is not there. Realizing that a friendship has become now one-sided. You know, one side becomes quiet. There's no, like you said, there's no proper closure. But one side just becomes quiet. And that is the silent grief. Bilkul, there's no sound. The person can't even say because this is not socially considered as a big loss. Arey kya hua? Never mind, find another friend. है
Yes,
ना?
yes.
Feeling nostalgic. So what remains is nostalgia for about अरे हम ये करते थे हम वो करते थे wondering also, may I reach out, should I not reach out, क्या करूं, फोन करूं, नहीं करूं, क्या करूं, and then you're like you're almost mourning, you're grieving for a connection which ended without a word. Isn't
Correct.
that so sad? Adult friendship loss is often less about rejection, but sometimes this is what it is considered that maybe there's been a change. Though I would beg to differ on that. Sometimes people outgrow the shared relationship, you know, and even when there is still affection and respect between them, but they are not connected for whatever reason. वो कहते हैं ना कि उनकी मंजिलें जुदा, मेरी तलाश जुदा. तो
Wow.
कुछ ऐसे ही हो जाता है.
So
The
very apt.
quiet grief or the silent grief of adult friendship is mourning for someone who is still alive, still cared for, but no longer a part of your life.
Oh,
I mean, this is very, very sad,
very sad. Indeed, indeed.
isn't it?
So, Meena ma'am, let's take a deeper psychological perspective about this.
Yeah,
Friendship, friendships are often woven into our sense of identity, and close friends witness our milestones like struggles, ambitions, and of course, all ordinary days. When a friendship fades, we don't just lose a person, we can lose a version of ourselves that existed within that relationship. So, unlike many other losses, friendship endings are often ambiguous losses. The person
Yeah.
is still alive, perhaps even visible on social media also. कोई बातचीत नहीं हो रही है, but you see his or her presence. Yet,
Mhm.
emotional closeness is gone. Because there is no clear ending, the mind can keep revisiting questions such as should I have reached out more? Uh, did something change between us which resulted in this? Or could we recommend, could we reconnect someday? ये एक बहुत बड़ी आशा होती है. Could we reconnect someday?
ये होता है, एंड द पर्सन हु हैज लॉस्ट द फ्रेंडशिप, वो व्हाट्सएप पे देखता रहता है, इज ही ऑनलाइन, इज शी ऑनलाइन, इज शी नॉट, व्हाट टाइम डिड शी कम, उसको ट्रैक करता रहता है. ओके, लेट मी सी एट व्हाट टाइम डज द पर्सन कम. सो दिस अनसर्टेनिटी कैन मेक फ्रेंडशिप grief linger and linger longer than expected. They just can't get, let go नहीं होता है, because the person is visible online.
Correct.
है कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल सही कहा
So,
आपने.
so what do we do about this? What would you say?
Ma'am, when you say the very topic that is quiet grief of adult friendship, सबसे पहले जो हमारे दिमाग में ये चीज आती है कि इट मीन्स सम काइंड ऑफ सैडनेस विच कम्स ओवर व्हेन अ क्लोज
हाँ,
फ्रेंडशिप फेड्स अवे विदाउट एनी ड्रामेटिक एंडिंग. कोई उसकी डेफिनेट एंडिंग हुई नहीं, लेकिन वो सब कुछ
right,
खत्म सा हो गया है.
right.
So this is the best description which I thought.
हाँ,
Unlike other forms of losses, friendship changes often happen gradually and silently. हमें पता ही नहीं लगता कि when we have slipped into some kind of oblivion.
right.
तो मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ मैम कि why why do you think friendship loss receives less attention than romantic breakups? Why is it so, ma'am?
Because romantic में ना, there are and then what kind of a thing. रोमांस हुआ, फिर अच्छा, promises हुए, then they decide to share life together and things like that. फिर family को बताया जाता है, the family gets involved, okay, now these people are getting together and so on. So there is and then what kind of a story. There's a continuation to the story. But in friendship, अरे क्या हुआ, एक नहीं और सही, और नहीं और सही, अरे कोई बात नहीं, और फ्रेंड्स बना लो. इट्स नॉट टेकन दैट सीरियस, द रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट टेकन दैट सीरियसली. Whereas what I feel, that that is not true. In fact, friendship is even more serious, because you've grown up together, you've shared things together, and suddenly when you there's a void, there's a hole, a black hole then. And that black hole is very difficult to come to terms with.
Correct, ma'am. That means some kind of invisible nature of loss.
It's a cutoff which is not a cutoff, but yet a cutoff. तू
And this,
है फिर भी तू नहीं है, तू नहीं है फिर भी तू है. It's something like that.
so that means you find difficulty explaining the kind of grief you are going through.
It is.
Unlike romantic relationship. उसमें तो पता
रोमांटिक में फिर भी तुम एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हो. पीपल से हाय बेचारा दिल टूट गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. बट इन फ्रेंडशिप क्या बोलेंगे, दिल टूटा, क्या टूटा, अरे दोस्त ही तो था, और बना लो.
बिल्कुल
है
सही,
ना?
बिल्कुल सही
So
है. एंड इसमें
it is.
आई थिंक अगर हम इसकी सोसाइटी वाला जो पर्सपेक्टिव देखें तो देयर इज नो सोशल परमिशन टू मोर्न. क्योंकि रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप में तो ये है कि यू गेट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द फैमिली एंड द फ्रेंड्स.
Yes, yes.
भाई ठीक है, शी वाज नॉट मेंट टू बी इन योर लाइफ और ही वाज नॉट मेंट. लेकिन
Right.
यहाँ सो बट when a friendship ends without any visible cause, there is often less validation, making the grief feel private and
Right.
unrecognized. ये एक
It is unannounced,
जी
and it's not about only that society does not permit you. society does not even know, does not even understand ki what the person is going through. You get my
Absolutely.
point?
Yes, ma'am.
Permission
Yes,
तो बाद में आएगी,
ma'am.
लेकिन वो पहले अंडरस्टैंड ही नहीं करते. दे डोंट इवन नो. और बेचारा जो बंदा सफर कर रहा है या जो बंदी सफर कर रही है, वो बोल भी नहीं सकते, क्योंकि लोग हंसी उड़ाएंगे, अरे क्या है, दोस्त के लिए रो रही हो, है ना.
Absolutely. So,
So
ma'am,
that is the thing. I will add in something here,
जी, जी,
you know,
please.
like in older times,
Hmm.
earlier times.
Hmm.
I'm not saying olden time means ancient times. I'm
No,
talking
no, no.
about, say, 40, 50 years ago की बात है. मेरे सामने ये बातें हुई हैं. That पहले friendships जो होती थी ना, अच्छा, सेम सेक्स में लाइक मैन टू मैन फ्रेंडशिप, गर्ल टू गर्ल फ्रेंडशिप, ओके, वो तो घर में भी बुला लेते थे एंड ऑल दैट. बट इफ इट वाज गर्ल टू बॉय फ्रेंडशिप, तो टू वैलिडेट इट, वो पता है राखी बांध देते, राखी भाई बन गया जी.
I
तो
know.
उससे क्या होता था कि एक फैमिली में एक्सेप्टेंस आ जाती थी. और
Correct.
वो जब भी बिछड़ता था, तो फिर भी थोड़ी बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती थी कि अरे भाई बना था, वो भाई कहाँ चला गया, अरे
Correct.
वो तो भाई था, भाई कहाँ चला गया. तो दे बफर्ड इट विद दिस राखी थिंग. बट आजकल तो वो भी नहीं है. अरे छोड़ो, राखी किसको बांधनी है ना.
So, ma'am, this takes me to the next one. Have you observed friendships changing as people move through different life stages?
Yes, friendship moves through different life stages also, and also through different circumstances. I have seen friendships happening because both of them were in the same class, same college, same subjects, you know. Sometimes because they are playing the same sport, they join. Because I have seen friendships happening because both of them were drinkers. Yeah, both of them were tobacco chewers, you know. And because Pan Parag has made, I have certain friends who have become friends with somebody else because they are all Pan Parag buddies,
Friends.
you know. So ऐसे situation, there are weird situations that होता है. लेकिन one of the worst kind of circumstance is when one person comes to know that this person is useful for me, I can use this person,
Oh,
and they make friends. And जैसे उनकी जरूरत खत्म हो जाती है, या the utility as they call it is over,
yeah.
the person just drifts out. And this person बेचारा, you know, अरे तुम शतरंज खेलते रहे, हम तो दोस्ती निभाते मर गए. It is
Oh,
something like that.
yes, yes. It's so sad.
So this is what happens also. So can you understand these kind of circumstances happening? I can understand other circumstances. There are mothers who become friends because their children are going to the same school. They go to drop the children in the same school, and unki dosti ho jati hai. I have seen that kind of friendship of women also.
Yes,
And
yes.
I have seen men becoming friends when they are probably maybe office buddies, or maybe they are sharing the same cab, the same thing, the same train. I have seen train friendships
Yes,
lasting for 50 years. I've
absolutely.
seen that. And they share everything about the family among them, though they've never met the family.
Absolutely.
And they are very, very strong friendships, you
But
know.
once they fall apart because of the geographical separation or some circumstances, तो ये
Yeah,
भी तो मैम अलग अलग स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ में है. जैसे भी अब स्कूल कॉलेज की बात हमने करी, वो ठीक है.
hmm,
फिर
right,
नेक्स्ट फेज इज प्रोबेबली मैरिज, पेरेंटहुड और सम शेयर्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इन द फैमिली.
right.
उसमें भी तो फिर यही होता होगा ना कि अब वो टाइम नहीं है जो हमारे पास पहले होता था. नो
Right.
आफ्टर.
There's a lot of nostalgia then.
या.
Lots of, one thing I can say, that friendships which happen during school and college, especially school friendships, बचपन में there's no ऊंच नीच, there's no religious differences. You are just friends. You're
Absolutely.
just two people
Yes.
and two children. And children ki friendship is most innocent friendship, as you
Absolutely.
know. You know, so if they manage to keep in touch as adults, even after getting married, and even after, I have seen a lot of these friendships. I mean, some of them are in my own house, where I was friends with somebody during college days. She was in the same gully. We were staying in the same gully, though we were not in the same school. And today, both of us are married. We've gone through life and everything. And she has become my bhabhi now. And we are more friends than anything, because we have kept in touch, you know. And leaving me apart, I have seen others also. I have seen our children who are so emotional about their school friends. They are still friends. They have, some of them have gone to other countries and all, but they are still connected. And every time they come here, each year they meet and they go for a trip together, maybe anywhere in the world. So when they keep in touch, somehow, if they, that is how much you value that friendship. So you keep in touch. Okay. And if you manage to keep in touch through this, then your friendship lasts. But the moment shadi ho gayi, career ho gaya, and you get busy and you lose touch, that is when your friendship gets over. And that is when, but that is not very painful. There's only nostalgia. There's only nostalgia. And then years later, as I always say, God creates you, Facebook reunites you, you know.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
some people find their friends again through Facebook or through LinkedIn, some social media. It could be even Insta. So then they reconnect, but then it's not as strong because there's been a gap. And that gap was, okay, nostalgic, but there was no heartache in that because they got busy.
They
There
got
was
busy.
only nostalgia. So there's a different thing about it,
सो
you
दैट
know.
मीन्स मैम चलिए ये सब चीज़ें हो गई यंग एज मिडिल एज एंड ऑफ कोर्स लेटर लाइफ एंड यू नो वन इज रिटायर्ड सो
Yeah,
health concerns are there, relocation from one place to other place, maybe loss of loved ones in the family,
yeah,
which can reshape our social network. Suddenly some people go into recluse,
grief.
बातचीत करना बंद कर देते हैं. उसमें दूसरा भी इंसान यही सोचता रहता है कि वाई द हेल दिस पर्सन हु वंस अपॉन अ टाइम वाज सो लाइवली and
Yeah,
this friend of mine, he or she has suddenly stopped communicating क्योंकि वो फैमिली के साथ ऐसा होगा एंड द अदर पर्सन इज विजिबली नॉट देयर. इतनी सब चीजें,
mm,
यानी मेरी जिंदगी में इतने कुछ हादसे हुए क्योंकि आप देख ना सके, आप यहाँ पे थे नहीं. So,
right.
so long, and I also think, ma'am, long-term friendships may become especially valuable as a source of continuity, support, and of course shared memories, as you rightly said, nostalgia.
Yeah.
Picked so by you. So, with this, let's move to the next segment of our.
I would like to add something here that, sometimes long term friendships, this, I have seen this happening, and that's why I'm saying this. Ki suddenly through Facebook, you find one another, and you find that the person has totally changed. That person says, you have totally changed. And there's a lot of, then they exchange stories. And
Absolutely.
when they exchange stories, remember one thing, that when they exchange the stories of the time when you were not together, वो पूरा हिस्ट्री वापस आ जाती है. That binds them again.
Again, so that gap is filled up.
Yes, that binds them again, and that friendship then carries on till old age, and then they become each other's article of faith.
आर्टिकल, ये मैम
I
थोड़ा
don't know
सा
whether
बताइए, व्हाट इज आर्टिकल ऑफ फेथ, क्या है?
this term article of faith is a very wonderful term. This represent this means a person, when a person is very very down and under, yeah, very very stressed, or very has lost confidence, has lost thing, and then they everybody has some kind of an escape route, like some people, when they are very down and under, they start listening to music. Some people would go for a walk. Some people would go to a particular place and just go and sit there. It could be near a river, it could be under a tree, it could be anything. Some people start doing something, they start reading. Like my sister starts arranging her cupboard when she
Okay,
when she
okay,
is stressed.
okay.
So that thing
Hmm.
that and some people have a person, a
Hmm.
person who gives you a shoulder and says, cry it out. Don't worry.
Hmm.
Many people will say, no, don't cry. You must not cry. Be strong. But this article of faith, this person will say, never mind, cry it out. Come, let's both cry together. Come,
Okay,
let's both remember together. Let's
okay.
get it out of our systems.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that person, yeah, fear that person, when you feel weak about certain thing, they say, Are, you can do it. You remember last time you did this? You
Hmm.
remember you got this done? Are,
Hmm.
you can do it. Come on, go ahead and do it. So that person infuses a sense of well being, a sense of confidence, a sense of, no, don't worry, I am there. That is article of faith.
You
So
are very right.
sometimes, and this article of faith can be anything. It can be a person, it can be a thing, it can be a place, or it can be even an activity,
Okay, now.
you know.
Okay.
So that is article of faith. We
Thank you,
all
ma'am.
have one. Or you also have, I have, we all have one. But
Yes.
probably we didn't know that this was article of faith.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, in your opinion, what factors most commonly strain adult friendship?
Because now, if we talk about what factors strain, you know, the factors that strain, as we have already, enunciated, that it could be that their careers are separate
Hmm.
and they have got lost. It could be that they have moved to another place and they have got so busy in their careers, so busy. Like ek bande ka perspective hai that he is just wanting to make more and more money and make more and more money and just climb the ladder, and the other person is very emotional. When there are different mindsets, तो
Hmm.
वो भी हो जाता है. या फिर मैरिज में भी हो जाता है, because sometimes marriages are so demanding. Sometimes your partners are responsible for the break of your friendship because they don't get along with your friends.
Yes.
नहीं, आप उनके साथ में नहीं मिलोगे.
Hmm.
नहीं, आप वहां नहीं जाओगी. you
Same.
know this is these are various factors which affect a friendship. And sometimes it is that you have gone through financial inequality also,
Yes.
make you lose, because there was a time when you were at equal levels.
Yeah.
And then comes a time when one of you is down and under financially. So फिर
Absolutely.
ये होता है that that embarrassment. I
Absolutely.
cannot I cannot keep up with that. इतना इतना महंगा गिफ्ट दे दिया, I cannot reciprocate.
Yeah.
तो फिर वो धीरे धीरे दूर होते जाते हैं.
Okay.
And I find that this financial disparity is a very, very hurting. You lose so many connections and so many friends because of financial disparity.
Very true, ma'am. Very true. एंड आई थिंक जो आपने सही बोला, सोशल कंपैरिजन होने लगता है, फिर एक ज़्यादा
Yeah,
सक्सेसफुल है, एक ज़्यादा कम सक्सेसफुल है, प्रोबेबली दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग
yes.
इन्फीरियोरिटी सी जो आती है कि भाई अब
अरे
क्या
हमारे
हो
पास तो
गया.
बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है कृष्ण और सुदामा का.
ओ यस यस यस
है ना?
यस यस.
कि वो बेचारा शर्माता रहा, नहीं जाया, नहीं गया, नहीं गया. कितने साल तक ही suffered his poverty alone.
अलोन या
And finally, when he was pushed by his wife, he went. And luckily, he had a friend, Krishna, who understood, who valued friendship. But
यस.
बहुत लोग नहीं वैल्यू करते हैं,
नहीं करते मैम.
नहीं करते हैं.
एंड जस्ट होता है वो मेजर लाइफ क्राइसिस से गुजर रहा है इंसान, that suddenly somebody gets into his own shell कि
Yes.
ये क्या क्या करना है, and the other
किसी किसी
person.
का टेम्परमेंट होता है
Yes.
that when they are unwell,
Yeah.
or when they are socially also unwell, like उनकी प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, लॉस ऑफ जॉब हो गया या
Yes.
लॉस ऑफ फाइनेंसेस हो गए या कुछ हो गए, they go into a shell,
Absolutely.
and they want to literally cure themselves before they come out and present themselves, because they want to show themselves always a smiling, happy person. But when they are down and under, they don't show themselves. I can say I am one of those,
Oh,
Yes.
so let's move forward. Uh, so, ma'am, is drifting apart always a negative outcome? मतलब हर चीज का नेगेटिव आउटकम हो जाता है when you are drifted apart because of these various circumstances.
I wouldn't say it depends on how you take it. It doesn't have to always be negative or always be positive. Sometimes friends can be very, very supportive, and sometimes friends may not have been as supportive. So losing them becomes a benefit in disguise.
Okay.
You get my point. You may miss the friendship, but it could be a benefit. Now you go full throttle ahead, But negative impact yahi hota hai that, as I said, society doesn't understand, family doesn't understand. तो जिसकी वजह से अंदर अंदर घुलता रहता है. And he goes into not only stress but psychological also, kind of emotional trauma. जो कि कोई समझता ही नहीं है. कोई नहीं समझता उसको डॉक्टर्स के पास ले जाते हैं, साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास ले जाते हैं. अरे उसको कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, लेकिन
हुआ ही नहीं
वो
है.
तो
So, ma'am,
सिर्फ ग्रीफ है.
grief
Nobody
है.
knows that. Nobody understands that. So that is the negative impact. It could be positive, it could be negative.
बिल्कुल.
It could be. कई बार इसलिए भी होता है, like one person has lost his or her companion, partner, life partner, husband or wife,
Yeah.
and the person is single now,
Hmm.
and everybody else is married. So अब वो it doesn't fit in because अगला single है. And especially if this happens to a young person, तो फिर तो दूसरे avoid ही करने लग जाते हैं कि नहीं नहीं ये because my wife will go after him या my husband will go after him. अब तो वो single है, तो उसकी वजह से भी होता है. So this is the negative impact of losing friendship also. कि the person starts feeling कि अरे मेरा क्या कसूर था, मेरा क्या दोष था, and this thing about where was I wrong, this exists in every loss of friendship.
But ma'am, drifting
Where
apart.
did I go wrong? Yeah, बहुत लोग होते हैं जो दूसरे पर blame करते हैं that person did this, that person did this, and there's a lot of bitterness then. That bitterness जो है is very negative.
Absolutely.
लेकिन if the person is mature enough and manages to get over it and move on, then the person can do wonders. And there's a third angle to it. मैं बता दूंगा अभी मैं क्या हूं. So they go on to that track to prove themselves that I am better than you. You've lost me. It's your loss. I'm better than you. So ये भी एक angle है.
So, ma'am, drifting apart can also create some kind of space for development of new relationships.
That's what I said.
And
That it
experiences.
can create space. Acha, it can create space for you to start again.
Absolutely.
Many people have lost their friendship because of transferable jobs also. As you know, and children suffer the most, School children, when their parents have transferable jobs, so then every time they have to make, and the parents just don't understand what trauma is the child going through, but the child does go through a lot of trauma.
Absolutely.
Children go through trauma much more due to loss of friendship than adults. Let me tell you that.
Yes, I
because this I have seen myself, It's not something out of books that I'm saying. These are my personal experiences, and I have seen others. I've been close to people who have had these experiences, that they suffer with transferable jobs. So that is it. Much as you may say कि कोई बात नहीं बेटा, अभी नए स्कूल में नए friends बन जाएंगे, this, that, but the child suffers. And the child has that feel of instability, which becomes a part of his adult character always, that feeling of instability, which is very, very traumatic also.
Absolutely. तो मैम ये बताइए कि how have technologies and social media the things changed friendships?
So, in a big way. I can say positive also, I can say negative also.
Let's say
You
put
know,
the positive side first.
positive side ये है कि now you can keep in touch. You know, technology has allowed you to keep in touch. Phone hai and video hai, social media hai, social platforms hai. So you can also see what the other person is doing. You know, you can have video calls and ऐसे लगता है नहीं कल ही तो बात की थी, कल
Yes,
ही तो मिले थे. So that gap is reduced. You know, there are bridges. So that is the big help.
absolutely.
Because then you can not only speak to the person like पहले भी phone थे, but with phone you can only talk. But now with social media, you can not only have video calls, but you can also see what the person is doing
Absolutely.
and share what you're doing, you
बिल्कुल.
know. So you are still a part of each other's life then. The
Absolutely.
negative part is कि कोई भी उठ के तुमको फ्रेंडशिप ये भेज देता है एंड स्टार्ट सेइंग कि यू नो आई वुड लाइक टू बी फ्रेंड्स विथ यू, बिना मतलब के तुम्हारा सोशल मीडिया जो है वो ब्लॉक हो जाता है या तो ओवर बर्डनड हो जाता है. सो मेनी पिक्चर्स लाइक नाउ डेज एवरीबडी सेंड्स यू. पहले कितना अच्छा लगता था जब कोई दरवाजे पे नॉक करता था एंड अ बुके फॉर यू काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. अभी वो फोटो भेज देते हैं and you've got so fed up of photos of flowers that you tell them, I don't want any more flowers from you, please stop
Absolutely.
sending me flowers. Okay, so it really I'm not joking, this is
And
it.
they jump to your WhatsApp number. Can
Yeah,
I see WhatsApp
and
number?
there's so much of, and then now these are social media. Yeah, this is virtual friendship. You don't know the person because मुझे बता दो कोई बंदा बोलता है कि I am a monster when I'm angry. कोई लिखता है सोशल मीडिया पे.
This is a very
Yeah,
negative.
does somebody say that I burp and fart a lot?
Oh,
नहीं,
this is.
नहीं ना. Yeah,
Nahi.
does somebody say that I get drunk and I misbehave? You know, nobody says that. Nobody talks about. So social media pe you only put one side of you, the bright side of you. The other side is not there. But there are people who just fall in love with that, who
Illusion
just
of
want to
friendship.
become friends. And then they say, can you share your WhatsApp number? Can you share your email? Arey kyun? This is social media. I
Yes,
don't know you. Why should I share everything? Now,
absolutely.
can I know more about you? Please tell me about your family. Please tell me about your background. अरे कैसे बोल देंगे?
Yes.
ऐसे stranger को थोड़ी बोल देंगे. So there are pluses and minuses. It's up to you how you manage. You know, how you manage. If you're mature enough, you'll say, look, this is social media. Let's exchange nice posts, informative, entertaining, poetic. Let's exchange poetry. Let's exchange art or whatever. You know, you've seen a good movie, you talk about that. You read a good book, talk about that. You put that, or things like that. You know, which are entertaining, but not otherwise. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier, which is very, very deep, and that is that when a friendship breaks, you know, एक फ्रेंडशिप जब टूटती है ना तो उसके साथ बहुत सारे कस्में टूटती हैं, वादे टूटते हैं, उम्मीदें टूटती हैं, प्लान्स बिखर जाते हैं.
Yes, yes.
एंड यू आर मोर्निंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. फ्रेंडशिप जब ये टूटती है ना, जिंदा इंसान है अभी तक. जब इंसान मर जाता है तो यू जस्ट मोर्न द डेड पर्सन. ओके फाइन, यू मोर्न दैट, इट्स ओवर एंड डन काइंड. बट व्हेन फ्रेंडशिप ब्रेक्स तो वो जो वादे, वो व्हेन इट्स अ लाइव पर्सन, तो ये सब टूटते हैं. एंड पता नहीं कितनी लाशें तुम उठा के चलते हो. दैट इज व्हाई द ग्रीफ इज सो स्ट्रांग.
This is so
दैट इज व्हाई, बिकॉज तुम बहुत सारी लाशें उठा के चलते हो फिर वो
बिल्कुल
एक फ्रेंडशिप टूटने की वजह से.
absolutely.
दैट इज द सैडेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट. एंड ये लाशें किसी को नजर नहीं आती.
बिल्कुल.
दैट इज द मेन.
So मैं ये भी पूछना चाहूँगा कि why can this kind of grief be difficult to acknowledge? Why is it so?
Because, as I told you, people take friendship as society, rather, family and society takes friendship very lightly. Romance ko say, because this is, I think it's a very Indian thing also, probably, because we Indians, we believe that every relationship should have a finale, should
Hmm.
have a scope, not finale, sorry, should have a future.
Future, yeah.
फ्रेंडशिप तो खाली फ्रेंडशिप ही है ना,
Hmm.
उसके साथ में गठबंधन तो नहीं है.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
लेकिन रोमांस को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है, शादी को इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है, लेकिन फ्रेंडशिप का कोई अल्टीमेट गोल नहीं है.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट.
फ्रेंड टुडे विल बी फ्रेंड टिल द एंड. वो
बिल्कुल बात.
और कुछ नहीं होगा. रोमांस में पहले दोस्ती हुई, रोमांस हुआ, फिर पति पत्नी हुए, फिर माँ बाप हुए, यू नो इट्स लाइक
Different
दैट.
stages, yeah, yeah, yeah.
तो फ्रेंडशिप में कोई गोल नहीं है. यू स्टार्ट एज अ फ्रेंड, यू एंड एज अ फ्रेंड. तो इसलिए सोसाइटी डज नॉट गिव मच ऑफ वेटेज टू इट, एंड देयरफॉर दे से अरे कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, और से.
So, ma'am, we move little forward and let's talk
and
about.
and senior people, if they are uprooted, why do you think senior people get most upset when they are uprooted from where they are? Because wahan par they have built their own social circle, they have friends, they have neighbors, they have friends, everything. And when they are uprooted, they die. They die a little bit every day, isn't it? So with seniors, it's even worse. With children, it is bad, and with seniors, it is bad. The young people, they can still, sort of manage and get over, but not seniors and children. One has to understand that. Never, ever uproot a senior from their surroundings. My son is in Australia. He wanted me to go there. I tried, I went there. I said, no, I want to go back home.
Okay. I think, ma'am,
Yes.
time भी हमारा खत्म होने जा रहा है and a couple of more points. So let's stick to that. Now, what do you say about rebuilding and then maintaining connections?
You can rebuild. You can try reconnecting. You can, kind of first send messages, then say, can we meet? You can tell other friends who are connected, common people, to pass on the message कि उनको बोलो मुझे मिलें. You can apologize कि अगर मेरे से गलती हुई है तो प्लीज, आई एम सॉरी. लाइक माय ग्रैंडमदर यूज्ड टू से कि तुम न्यू ईयर पे इतने इतने रेजोल्यूशंस क्यों करते हो? सिंपल. जो लोग बिछड़े हैं, न्यू ईयर में पहले हफ्ते में सबसे कांटेक्ट करो और सबको विश करो, सबको मिलो और सबसे बोलो चलो मिलते हैं. सो फ्रेंडशिप्स कैन बी रिवाइव्ड ऑन ओकेजन्स आल्सो विथ रिकनेक्ट. समबडी, तुम नहीं पता क्या होता है, नो आई एम वेटिंग, लेट हिम और लेट हर बी कनेक्ट विथ मी. ये जो है ना, ये
Ego
ईगो
trip.
जहां बीच में आ जाती है,
Yes, yes.
वहां पर रिकनेक्ट मुश्किल है.
मुश्किल.
लेकिन अगर तुम ईगो को पॉकेट में रख के, इफ यू वैल्यू योर फ्रेंडशिप मोर देन योर ईगो, then you will try to reconnect, and you will try to reconnect with every occasion. दिवाली है तो चलो दिवाली विशेस भेज दो, या न्यू ईयर विशेस दे दो, या
Correct.
उधर से घर के पास से गुजर रहे हो तो ड्रॉप इन यार, क्या है?
हाँ, और क्या.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगला ज्यादा बात नहीं करेगा, बट ट्राई तो करो. हेजिटेशन, अच्छा ईगो नहीं है लेकिन हेजिटेशन है. व्हाट इफ दैट पर्सन डजंट टॉक टू मी? हाय, मैं क्या करूंगा? फिर मुझे बुरा लगेगा, फिर मुझे चोट लगेगी. So that pain also, the thought of that pain also. But if you can put all this aside, and the one thing that you do is you value your friendship more than your ego or your fears.
Very true, ma'am.
If you put your fears aside, you put your ego aside, and you meet the person, I think you can make it. Otherwise, it becomes very, very difficult. This is what I feel. What's your take on this?
So, मैम मैं भी बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली आई एम इन परफेक्टली इन सिंक विद यू एंड विद दैट दे कनेक्टेड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन विच कम्स टू माई माइंड इज हाउ कैन वी ऑनर पास्ट फ्रेंडशिप्स वाइल रिमेनिंग ओपन टू न्यू कनेक्शंस, यानी दोनों चीज़ें को एक बैलेंस बना के चलने के लिए हाउ डू वी डू दैट?
Let me have your take on this first.
ओके ओके, आई थिंक एक तो ये है मैम कि वी मस्ट एक्नॉलेज देयर इम्पोर्टेंस. हर एक इंसान हमारी जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई इंपॉर्टेंट रोल अदा करके गया है. सो इट्स लाइक ए ट्रेन
Correct.
जर्नी. स्टेशन आया, उतर गया, टाटा बाय बाय हो गया. बट वो
Yeah.
कुछ दूर का साथ तो था ही हमारा. या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि लेट गो ऑफ द नीड फॉर ब्लेम. अदरवाइज ज़्यादातर तो ब्लेम गेम ही होता है कि तुमने बंद कर दिया था बात करना, हम तो थे ओपन.
हाँ.
And probably the best thing is that you preserve those good old memories. Stay open to new forms of friendship क्योंकि nothing can stop you from making new friends. आप नई जगह पर
Exactly.
नए माहौल के अंदर हैं. And I
Be
think
open.
I think embrace these changes rather than seeking some kind of permanence. Nothing is permanent in life, ma'am. So this is my take.
What I would say is that all of us are on a journey. Each one
Yes.
is on a journey, right? किसी का स्टेशन पहले आ जाता है, किसी का बाद में आता है.
Correct, ma'am.
Right.
Correct.
But if you are open-minded, if you put your ego aside, if you're open-minded, and if you're non-judgmental, ये
Yes.
3 points जरूर होने चाहिए.
यानी वो रिकनेक्ट कर सकते हैं हमको, कहने का मतलब.
So then reconnect हो सकता है. Because when you put these 3 aside,
जी.
that means you value the relationship more than all this.
Absolutely.
So bottom line क्या है? How much do you value your friendship? अगर तो तुम्हारे लिए एक कैजुअल थी, जैसे तुम्हारे लिए नीड बेस्ड थी, तो तुम बोलते ठीक है यार, मेरा काम निकल गया, छोड़ो, जाने दो. ठीक है? तो इफ इट इज नॉट दैट, अच्छा, देयर इज वन मोर थिंग कि कुछ फ्रेंडशिप्स होती हैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज बेस्ड, कि किसी ने तुम्हारे लिए कुछ इतना कर दिया दैट so you become friends and और तुम उससे दबते रहते हो.
अंडर ऑब्लिगेशन, कुछ ना कुछ.
अंडर ऑब्लिगेशन. तो ये जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज की रिलेशनशिप, कोई भी हो, शादी हो या फ्रेंडशिप हो, believe me, it doesn't last and it leaves a lot of bitterness.
सही.
Because वो compromise करते करते, because as you say, as there's a saying in English, there's no free lunch.
Absolutely.
तो तुम वो एहसान के नीचे इतने दबे हुए हो कि तुम you start accepting nonsense, and the other person knows that he or she has done you a favor, and they start dishing out nonsense, and तुम लेते रहते हो, and अंदर अंदर घुलते रहते हो, bitterness होती है. तो उसमें तो कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है भाई. वो तो अगर टूटेगा ना तो बहुत बुरी तरह टूटेगा, and टूटना चाहिए. But otherwise, when this is not the factor, the compromise factor is not there, then if your ego, your judgment, and your open-heartedness, if these are factors which will override, and make you realize that no, my relationship was more valuable than this. तो तुम सॉरी बोलने में कितना टाइम लगता है यार? बोल दो ना. बोल दो, हाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, ये भी हो सकता है. अरे, आई वाज जस्ट पासिंग बाय फ्रॉम हियर एंड आई थॉट आई विल गिव यू अ विजिट. हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल हो जाएगा.
राइट? सो देयर आर वेज एंड मीन्स ऑफ रिकनेक्ट इफ यू वांट टू.
Absolutely. So, ma'am, this discussion with you has been an eye-opener in many ways for me, and I'm sure the viewers and the audience will extract some useful things out of it. So, मैं कहते हैं ना, चलते चलते I just want to there's a closing quote which I want to, not written by me, but I picked up from somewhere. It says, some people walk beside us for a lifetime, others for a season. Both can leave a lasting mark on who we become. I think it sums up everything.
ये तो सही बात है that अगर ये कॉस्मोस जो है, अगर उसमें तुम्हारा हर सांस every thought, every emotion, every breath, every word, and every action can leave an imprint on the cosmos.
Yeah, yeah.
So people are so much closer, na?
Yes, yes, yes. People are.
Cosmos is a much bigger entity.
Absolutely, absolutely.
तो तुम्हारी जिंदगी में छाप तो रहेगी ना उसकी,
Yes, रहेगी, बिल्कुल रहेगी.
हर एक चीज.
अरे, नहीं,
तो
thank you.
वो तो होना ही है. And I think it's one of the most beautiful thing. But on the other hand, I sometimes marvel at God's creation, at the perfection of God's creation. Imagine उसने हमें इतना perfect बनाया है that he has also given us selective memory, है ना?
Yes.
And he has also, देखो जब किसी की डेथ होती है,
हाँ,
ठीक है, the person who's closest to you, जिसके बारे में तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि I can live without this person, लेकिन उसके बाद भी तुम कुछ
Life
टाइम
goes
बाद
on.
तुम you start living normally, है ना?
Yes,
तो
yes.
this is an ability which we have been bestowed by nature.
Absolutely.
It's one of the most beautiful abilities, तो ये हमें मिला हुआ है. तो ठीक है, लोग आते हैं जिंदगी में, किसी का चैप्टर पहले खत्म, किसी का बाद में खत्म, एंड हम चाहे कितना ही बोलें कि ग्रीफ है, साइलेंट है, ये है, वो है, लेकिन वक्त जो है वो सबसे बड़ी मरहम है. वक्त के पास हर मुश्किल की मरहम है, हर चोट की मरहम है, तो वो हो ही जाता है.
Thank you, ma'am. That brings us to the end of this session, and it's been wonderful interacting with you, Meena, ma'am. And
Thank you very much. It's always been a pleasure with you also. And this team up of ours is so very much in sync, that
Absolutely.
we can really go through. It's fun doing these kind of topics with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Really. I also enjoy because we are almost on the same page, with them.
Absolutely. So thank you very much,
It's
viewers.
a mental sync. ये भी एक दोस्ती है.
ये भी एक दोस्ती है.
ये भी एक दोस्ती है. It's a mental sync that we have. This is also one kind of a friendship.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So signing off, this is your friend Colonel VD Singh, and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind to you, and signing off is Meena Tilakraj also. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Thank you. Bye bye.
Viva Zena.